Long, long ago, in the village of Nakatsugawa, there was a waterfall called Ryujin no Taki. This waterfall was beautiful, with clear water cascading down the rocky surface, and the pool at the base would change colors like a rainbow over time. The villagers revered this waterfall, believing it to be the dwelling place of a dragon god, and they called it Ryujin no Taki. One day, the village was attacked by a band of thieves. A young man from the village, determined to protect his people, headed towards Ryujin no Taki. He knew the village legend, that the village would be protected if they found and enshrined the sacred stone where the dragon god resided near the waterfall. The young man resolved to find this stone. The path from the mountain to the waterfall was treacherous, and the young man was exhausted, but he remained resolute in his belief. When he finally reached the waterfall's basin, he was astonished. There lay a beautiful jade-colored stone. He was convinced it was the dragon god's stone. However, the band of thieves were also after the same stone. They found the young man and attempted to steal the stone. The young man fought desperately to protect it, but the thieves kicked the stone into the basin of the waterfall. Suddenly, a white light emanated from the waterfall, and the white dragon god appeared. The dragon god, furious, unleashed a thunderstorm, and rain poured down. The thieves, terrified, fled, but the basin turned into a raging torrent, causing a flood that affected the village. The dragon god spoke to the young man. The stone is not what is important. It is purity of heart that truly matters. With these words, the dragon god bestowed a new stone upon the young man, a stone meant to fulfill the mission of protecting the village. The young man returned to the village and built a shrine near the waterfall to enshrine the dragon god, naming it Ryujin Shrine. From then on, the village was protected from thieves and floods, and Ryujin no Taki became an even more sacred place. The young man kept the dragon god's secret. The secret that the soul of the dragon still resides in Ryujin no Taki. Thank you for watching. Today, we will be showcasing Ryujin no Taki and Ryujin Shrine in Nakatsugawa City, Gifu Prefecture. Please stay with us until the end. This waterfall is home to the white dragon god. The beautiful emerald green plunge pool of this waterfall is said to change color 7 times a day depending on the time of day. Doesn't it look like a white dragon is ascending? With a drop of 12 meters, it is both beautiful and impressive. Here are the mini cottages for camping. Ryujin no Taki is located within Yumori Park, which also has a campground. Yumori is written as evening forest. From here, we will climb about 2 kilometers to reach Burin Falls, a waterfall said to have been formed when the dragon god ascended to heaven, shedding its scales upon hitting the mountainside. Burin is written as forgotten scales. The surrounding trees are said to be even more beautiful when they are red and yellow in the fall. This is an unusual tree. It's said to be a fusion of cherry, cedar, and Chamaecyparis spicifera. If you look closely, you can see 3 different kinds of leaves. This is Momiji Bridge, nestled downstream from Ryujin Falls. It's said to transform into a mesmerizing spectacle of autumnal hues during the season. This is our farewell for today. Thank you. Goodbye.